Hey guys, today we're out in front of Cafe Wylde. I'm going to do a review on this, and we are in Everett, Washington. Ooh, a sage mint smoothie. I really like the vibe of this place. It serves local, vegan, and organic food. And the cheesecake there is raw cheesecake. They also have a selection of organic wine and beer and organic coffee and unique smoothies and blended juices. Just about anything that you could want from this type of a restaurant. This is the view from my seat. I ordered the Bukhan bowl with tamari sauteed mushrooms over quinoa. Look at that. That is called the Korean barbecue. That stuff there that looks like meat, but it really is not meat. And it comes with avocado, radish, scallions, cilantro, sesame. Oh my gosh, a whole new world just opened up for me, discovering jackfruit. It is the pulled pork for vegans. I never had it before. This is amazing. My friend ordered the Bhukan Tacos, which has the same ingredients as the bowl that I had. And again, it's got the jackfruit in there that looks like meat, and it's amazing. Nothing special about the cup, but I paired it with the Chai Latte. And the spices in this reminded me of the Chicken Tikka Masala dish that I did. The masala spices in particular. I'll post a link to that video above. The main spice that I was tasting was curry. I chose the lime raw cheesecake. I've never had a raw cheesecake before. This is obviously vegan. The crust is awesome because it's made with nuts. And this was just really smooth. Tasted great. My friend got the mixed berry one, and gosh, I almost devoured all of mine. It was so good. I didn't want to stop eating it. Cafe Wylde gets 2 thumbs up and 5 stars. That's what I had left. I thought I'd save some for my husband to try. But I went to work after this and somebody stole it out of the refrigerator. Who does that? Who steals and eats strangers' food after they've already eaten off of it? I don't get it. Anyway, this place is located in downtown Everett, across the street from the Shack Arts Center. If you've had jackfruit, let me know in the comments below and subscribe.